Thinking about a pleasant conversation or anticipating a good time with someone may seem harmless. However, research shows that imagination has real and measurable effects on the brain. This learning process follows well-known rules of neuroscience. Before continuing, we invite you to subscribe to the channel and give like to this video. Your support is fundamental so that we can continue to create interesting content. Now, let's explore how imagination can influence our decisions and preferences. An international team of researchers analyzed what happens when people imagine social interactions. The results showed that the brain learns from what was imagined as if it had really happened. This implies that our preferences and decisions can change simply by imagining situations. The work, published in the journal Nature Communications, combines psychology and functional magnetic resonance. The main conclusion is that learning does not always require direct experience, which challenges preconceived ideas about learning. Normally, we learn when something surprises us, whether in a positive or negative way. This prediction error is key to forming preferences. This study shows that the process is activated even with imagined experiences, as long as they are more enjoyable than expected. This means that the brain does not distinguish between living an experience and simulating it internally. If an imagined experience is positive, the learning system is activated as if it were real. This highlights the powerful connection between imagination and learning. The researchers asked the participants to think of neutral people in their environment. This allowed to observe changes in the assessment that the participants had of these people after imagining brief scenes with them, some positive and others neutral. At the end of the study, those who were imagined in positive situations were preferred in real life. This shows how imagination influences our perceptions and relationships, even without physical interaction. During the experiment, a functional magnetic resonance scanner was used to observe brain activity. A key region of the learning system was found to be activated during mental experiences, similar to when receiving a real reward. The intensity of the brain response varied according to how pleasant the imagined scene was. This indicates that the brain processes the positive surprise of the imagination in a manner similar to the surprise of a real environment, which reinforces the idea that imagining can be an effective learning process. Not only was it about reading pleasant phrases, vivid mental images cause stronger emotional responses. The more real a scene feels, the more impact it has on future decisions, which reinforces the importance of how we imagine. Finally, these results have implications for social life and mental health. Positive imagination can be a useful tool, but negative can also reinforce harmful biases. Understanding this mechanism is key to using it effectively.